Let's go hop in the car. It's like a blizzard outside. So we'll see. So cold. Just another beautiful day, beautiful summer day in Canada. It's freezing. I'm sure this is exactly what the engineers were thinking would be optimal driving conditions for this car. An Italian snowplow. So slippery. Crazy. Anytime I get above 2,000 RPMs, the car just wants to slide all over the road. Just passed a car that drifted into the curb, and one tire is going one way, one tire is going another way. Doesn't look like a cheap fix. So yeah, I'm gonna do my best here to not do any bumper cars. Hey, sorry I had to keep you in the trunk. Top secret location, no one can know about. So, we got the car completely dirty because it's a mild blizzard outside. But I stopped at Michael's and got some vinyl. So let's see if we can turn this cute little car into something a little meaner looking. But yeah, first thing I definitely have to wipe it down. It's soaking wet and cold, so have to clean it up, and then we'll get to the vinyl action. So I've got some vinyl. I've never used this stuff before, so hopefully this works out. I talked to the lady at the store and she said, yeah, you gotta heat it up. So we'll see. I think you probably have to peel off the back, I'm guessing. Okay, I'm trying to connect this spot to this spot. Try and give it a little more of an aggressive look. So I think you're supposed to use some sort of squeegee type to get the bubbles and lines out, but I don't have that. I've got this. It's a felt, it's soft. So you can see it kind of worked. It just has a few lines on it that I'll try and do better on the other side. But maybe the lines are veins. Maybe he was a little bit stressed at work, so he's got some veins in his eyes. Okay, let's try and do this one a little bit better. Just in case anybody was wondering, this is a heat gun, not a hair dryer. That would probably light all your hair on fire if you tried that. Don't try that at home. Looks pretty cool. Looks mean. Looks pretty good for only $2.50. Okay, so the last bit of vinyl I got is for up here. It looks like someone had, I don't know, they sanded it down for sure, and then repainted this before, but now it's all chipping up and everything. So I'm just gonna put some vinyl across it, and it seems fitting. An Italian car, might as well. Put the Italian flag across the top. So we're gonna cut this and put it in here. Alright guys, it looks pretty cool. And we have enough left over that if it ever peels off, I can do it again. For $2.50 a sheet, I think it's pretty cool. Okay, so we wrapped the headlights. We've got the Italian flag on the roof. This vinyl work was cheap and had to have put at least an extra 20 horsepower for sure. Okay, so that's it for today. Just did that little vinyl job. Looks way better. I'm sure it's faster. But that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next week.